One of the big misconceptions that I see around Excel-based reporting is that there's no control. And people think Excel reporting means that you go into a system, you assign all of your filters there within the system, and that the only reporting you get from Excel is exporting to Excel. So the misconception is that Excel reporting is this endless cycle where we export something which is no longer live and no longer updating, and then we have to work with the data in this format that we've been given. And in particular, one of the reasons that people are so inclined to keep doing that is because of these filters, which are, of course, dynamic, live, tied to information in the system. And this inspired me really to remind you of something that you can already do with Velixo to have that same live filtering, but also have the complete flexibility of Excel. So I have a similar report to what we just saw before, live in Excel. And all of these filters that I may choose to use are validation dropdowns, meaning that on the fly, I can make a selection such as I only want this account number, and the information beneath me here refreshes. Maybe I only want to see the activity within a certain department code. Notice these are drop-down menus. I can make that selection. And again, the information refreshes. How do we do something like that? It's actually very easy. Velixo has a set of functions that are the expand type functions. And we have functions that will allow you to expand your full GL account range, your full range for any of your dimensions, including user-defined dimensions, which are seamlessly supported. So you don't have to make a call to someone and say, oh, I want to add user-defined dimensions to my reporting framework. No, we simply have a function, expand UDD value range, that will allow you to do that, given the name of the dimension. And for all of our other functions, the syntax is incredibly simple. I'm just providing the name of my connection. And what I get here, live dynamic listings of all of my GL accounts and dimensions. As I add or change something in Intacct, I refresh, these will automatically update. And in order to get my drop-down list, plain old Excel, all I have to do is look at data validation, and you see that this data validation is referencing the account range here. That means that users will be able to select only from the valid options that actually exist in the system. There won't be any reporting frustration because they've miskeyed something or all of the other fluff that people tell you is difficult or challenging about Excel reporting. This control environment takes minutes to create, and I can now make my selections on the fly to filter my data dynamically, and I'm not re-exporting everything every time. So if you would like to learn techniques like this, and you're in the nonprofit sector, we have our Future in Focus event tomorrow, November 19th. So please be sure to go and sign up for that. If you're in the for-profit sector and you're more interested in learning about these techniques, then feel free to contact us anytime, and our team would be happy to help. Thanks for watching.